Hi lovely people, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are making puff puff with coconut. Let's get into the video. Into a bowl, I will add all my dry ingredients and I will also leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box below. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on it, and please don't hesitate to also click on the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that anytime I post a video you'll be the first to get notified. At this point I've added everything. I've also added my vanilla extract and my warm coconut milk. I will give this a stir, and I want to use this opportunity to thank my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love you have shown me, for always watching my video, leaving a comment. I do appreciate it, and I won't have been here without your love and your support. So at this time I will just cover it and let it double in size for an hour. So this is after 1 hour. Our pawpaw has doubled. I will just beat to get the air out of it, and also I'm using the throw and catch method. So this is how I'll be doing it. So while doing this, the oil too is already on the fire. Now let's check how hot the oil is. It is hot. I'll just start scooping my puff puff gently into the oil. So this is how I'll be doing all the puff. So please stay tuned. Okay fam, after some time in the oil, the puff puff is doing well, and I'm just flipping it for other side to also fry it very well. And if you are still watching up to this time and you have not yet subscribed, please do. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok as Getty Cooks. So now it has fried to the perfect brown golden color, and I'll just take it off from the oil. So after that I'll also fry the second batch. Okay fam, this is the final outcome of our puff puff recipe with coconut, and I really love the color too. This was delicious, and you can also pair this with any porridge of your choice or any chill drink of your choice. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor by liking this video, sharing this video, also leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all. Stay blessed.